The amount of time the students get to engage in lab and real life dinner service, I think is one thing that is invaluable and something that's very unique to the Stratford Chefs School. There's always positives to take away from every situation, and I find that life in a restaurant moves fast. We have to learn, adapt, think on our feet, and I think with all of the changing policies and the way that our world is right now, it really gives all the students a good glimpse into how to roll with the punches and adapt to everyday situations. This is my first year at the Stratford Chefs School, and I am so impressed every day by the students' professionalism and their ability to adapt and roll with the punches and pull off what they pull off. What they do every day and how they carry themselves is not an easy task, and I think that's a testament to the faculty, to the whole school itself and the culture that it's created. I'm very proud to be a part of it, and it's something that I am thoroughly enjoying doing.